Blessed love my viewers and my subscribers. Let your voice be heard TV right now, my people. Give a speech for an argument to me here. Nothing come out with me people. You understand? And nothing come out bashing Spice and balling for credit me people. Nothing remind me of Angel. You understand? Nothing remind me of when Angel will come out a ball for credit. Let me tell you something. You see anybody you see try help in life, try do things soon and then they come back on a ball and I go and not talk about it like how enough of them talk about things. Them never do, they not do it with a willing heart, you understand? Now you come on a ball say yo I pay you want and you not get your ratings and you want your ratings and you want your credit whatsoever. You understand? If you did do Health Spice with a willing heart, you understand? You would have never come as a man right now and come talk about it like that and style up the girl. You come out already and talk, say you allegedly sleep with the girl and the girl say a lie. You understand? She say a lie. You see me I deal with and she not gonna rate you or show you no ratings even if you deserve it the way how you come out, my brother. You understand? Sometimes no man feel leave certain things like how you are saying. You are saying now say are you force Bunty to get Spice Mike. So that means say everybody where Bunty Killer saying boss or where people say Bunty Killer boss then are you force him to give them Mike, eh? Are you force Killer to give everybody else Mike then? Right? So Skiller no boss nobody by himself. You know boss nobody with a willing heart. You never hear Killer come and bash people and look for ratings yet. When you deserve it, you will get it. You understand? And if you come out no wanna come say yo, you want your pay and you want your this and you want your that. Did you want Spice make arrangements say yo when she bust she gonna give you 100 million, 200 million whatsoever? Did you want Spice make that arrangement? Eh? No for no grow and Spice because in the feel so guess what? It's a girl who can get for slap like how no I want to date everybody else in the music business as a woman I grow up because that's what all on us. That's what all on Jamaica. So as me I tell them people, I not think say a person should I say them help a person. Or if them help a person, them come back, come talk about it and throw it in the person face in a long run. They don't do it with a willing heart, you understand? That's what I think. They don't do that with a willing heart because if them did do it, if him did say him bust Spice or make people know about Spice then and do it with a willing heart, him wouldn't business with Spice want to do it, would make Spice conscience killer. You understand? Not even look upon her and see if one day she wouldn't come out come say you understand? Me hear Spice big up Ninja Man already over time Bunty Killer and them things and the man come out and say boy not even Ninja Man Spice no get ratings like how like that. You see me I did. Me hear Spice big up Ninja Man and Ninja Man now worry about that. You understand? Ninja Man now worry about that, you know. Ninja Man now worry about them thing there. You are worried about fear part and then now yeah, so Ninja Spice not even getting. But me hear Spice with Ninja Man ratings already over and over. You understand? But the way me feel say the way how you come out the first time and chat up your mouth and go on with your bag of things and enough. And that's the reason why she not to give you no props, you understand? Now you sound like an angel when Angel will run out on a bar say yo he want him credit and them Jamaican people I give him credit already. We don't get credit people big up on otherwise man but just to Spice there on top now the feel say yo the girl who no obligation or something. And anyhow did get fit there with him. Most of them will come up and chat no matter of fact this is a sin Spice having Rastaman lockdown. You come out and say certain thing. When I look back on how you come out and talk, it seems like you allegedly tell RT boss or RT boss allegedly tell you things. One of them will be back and forth to mess up this girl career. You understand? Because you can't listen to how you talk, brother. that with all the Jamaican, most of the Jamaican artists them like our people. When they done somehow we do things to people, we talk about it, we come back and show it and them and go on like say yo, we do things with a willing heart and we know by ourselves say yo, we don't do that with a willing heart, we are do for some. We are do it for some return back or some favor, some fun or something, you understand? No fun to help these women or try to help these women by things say yo, we're not gonna lay down with them. You see me I did and once you don't get to lay down with them, you don't want to put them on blast and go on like say the woman them are disrespect you know rare and this and that. If the woman them in a dancehall world supposed to come out and talk up the things them straight up in and call names. You see me I deal with trust me. Someone would have to go hide. You understand? The phone would have to go hide. You see me I deal with. You say Bounty Killer want ratings everywhere. Bounty Killer been there and done that. You not do a Bounty Killer do brother. You understand? When you talk about for Bounty Killer ratings now, it seems like say it seems like them people them are gonna feel make it seems like it seems bad man or grudge man for certain things. You understand? The sign they are showing off. So when you see people are going a certain way, if you know say you bust them with a willing heart or you do something for them with a willing heart, let them man, give them the break and you still make yourself better. You understand? Yeah man, I think one person me help and you never hear me come talk or say yeah. Me help people and people disrespect me, you know. Yeah, me help people and people disrespect me and say certain things about me and carry me down to the worst of people. You see me I did but me never come on social media come talk about certain things yet. Like, you know. But when me know say when me help people with a willing heart whatsoever me do. Understand me do it with a willing heart. Understand? No regrets of doing anything for people. But some people just do it for clout for people to say yo. I see people are reach out to me for help already and when me can't help them, when me can't help the people them I see them honor there. When I see I go around and help people and man develop honor me link us give the honor the person number and tell the person if a big honor to come help her. And I go help them and them no call me back and say nothing about the situation. You understand? And I still no feel no way where you feel say me I go to call back and say yo, you get help or where you not even call back and tell me thanks and this or that. Yo, I just saw some people stay man. Anyway, my people, just big up on yourself. One thing me have to tell nothing, just make it breeze, bro. If you know say you eat food and you live life, it feels like when you talk about it this way and you know, people are gonna say you watch Spice lifestyle or you're jealous over her or really. You see me I deal with. Just build for it. No matter what, or when you come out and cuss now, you still not gonna get it so it don't make sense. Big up on yourself, let your voice be heard TV. I'm out.